Step-by-step tips for cleaning your cat's ears safely. I'm taking on the challenge of cleaning my cat's ears safely using some pro tips. Let's see if I can do it without any drama. In this video, you'll learn safe and effective techniques to clean your cat's ears, ensuring their health and comfort. Many cat owners overlook ear cleaning, leading to wax buildup and potential infections. According to veterinarians, up to 15% of cats are prone to ear issues at some point in their lives, making regular cleaning a crucial preventive measure. Our feline friends can't tell us when they're feeling uncomfortable or in pain, so it's up to us to take proactive care of their health. Ear cleaning is a vital part of that care, and ignoring it can lead to serious problems down the line. Cleaning your cat's ears regularly can help prevent infections, reduce odor, and even improve their overall health. So, let's dive in and explore why ear cleaning is essential for your cat's well-being. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge and confidence to tackle ear cleaning like a pro. Why ear cleaning matters. Cleaning your cat's ears might seem like a daunting task, but it's actually quite simple once you know what to look for and how to do it safely. A little patience, the right tools, and a gentle touch are all you need to keep your cat's ears clean and healthy. Many of us have been there, standing in front of our cat, hesitant to touch their ears, fearful of causing them discomfort or pain. But with the right approach, ear cleaning can be a stress-free experience for both you and your cat. We'll cover the signs that indicate your cat needs ear cleaning, the tools you'll need, and step-by-step instructions for the safest method. Ear cleaning is a crucial aspect of cat care, and I want to empower you with the knowledge and skills to do it confidently and safely. So if you're ready to learn, let's get started. Signs your cat needs ear cleaning. The first sign that your cat needs ear cleaning is often a strong, unpleasant odor coming from their ears. If you notice your cat scratching or shaking their head frequently, it could be a sign that their ears need attention. Look for visible dirt, wax, or debris in the ear canal, or check for redness and inflammation. If you notice any of these signs, it's time to clean your cat's ears. Tools you'll need. Each tool plays a vital role in ensuring a smooth and safe cleaning process. For instance, the ear cleaner is specially formulated to dissolve wax gently, while cotton balls or soft cloths are ideal for removing debris without irritating the sensitive ear canal. Treats not only reward good behavior, but also help your cat associate ear cleaning with positive experiences. You'll need a few simple tools, including a high-quality ear cleaner specifically designed for cats, cotton balls or soft cloths, some tasty treats to reward your cat for their good behavior. Make sure to avoid human ear cleaners, as they can be too harsh for your cat's sensitive ears. Additionally, having a calm and quiet environment is essential. Consider setting up a cozy area where your cat feels safe and relaxed before starting the cleaning process. Step-by-step cleaning process. When it comes to actually cleaning your cat's ears, it's essential to approach the task with care and patience. Here's how. 1. Lift the ear flap. Gently lift your cat's ear flap to expose the inner ear. 2. Wipe away debris. Use a cotton ball or soft cloth to wipe away visible dirt or debris. 3. Apply ear cleaner. If needed, apply the ear cleaner as directed on the product label. 3. Never insert anything into the ear canal. 4. Massage the base. Gently massage the base of your cat's ear to help the cleaner work its way inside. 5. Dry the ear. Wipe away any excess cleaner with a clean cotton ball. If your cat resists or seems stressed, take a break and try again later. During the break, you can try using a calming spray designed for cats or offer a favorite toy to distract them. Creating a soothing environment with gentle music or a quiet space can also help ease their anxiety. Positive reinforcement with treats or gentle praise can make the experience more pleasant for your cat. How often should you clean? Let's also talk about frequency. How often should you clean your cat's ears? While it depends on your cat's breed and lifestyle, a general rule is to check their ears weekly and clean them as needed. Overcleaning can irritate their ears, so always observe their condition before deciding. Breeds with folded or hairy ears, like Scottish Folds or Maine Coons, may require more frequent checks and cleanings due to a higher risk of wax buildup. When to consult a vet, it's important to know when not to clean your cat's ears. If you notice excessive redness, swelling, discharge, or if your cat reacts strongly to touch, it might be a sign of an infection or another underlying issue. In these cases, consult your veterinarian before attempting to clean their ears yourself. Wrapping it up, as you can see, cleaning your cat's ears is a straightforward process that requires minimal tools and a gentle touch. By following these simple steps, you can help keep your cat's ears clean and healthy, reducing the risk of infection and promoting overall well-being. To wrap up, remember the importance of regular ear cleaning and the steps we discussed to keep your cat healthy. With practice and patience, you'll become a pro at cleaning your cat's ears, and your feline friend will thank you for it. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out our other pet care videos and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Share your own experiences or tips for cleaning your cat's ears. We'd love to hear from you and continue the conversation about caring for our beloved feline companions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest tips and tricks for keeping your furry friends happy and healthy. As you can see, cleaning your cat's ears is a straightforward process that requires minimal tools and a gentle touch. By following these simple steps, you can help keep your cat's ears clean and healthy, reducing the risk of infection and promoting overall well-being. To wrap up, remember the importance of regular ear cleaning and the steps we discussed to keep your cat healthy. With practice and patience, you'll become a pro at cleaning your cat's ears, and your feline friend will thank you for it. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out our other pet care videos and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Share your own experiences or tips for cleaning your cat's ears. We'd love to hear from you and continue the conversation about caring for our beloved feline companions.